Oh, look at this. Pretty little baby. Fast asleep. Look at him. You want to say hey? Hmm? Do you want to say hey to everybody, buddy? He's a big boy. I swear he's so huge. These two spend more time on my bed than any of the other ones. And we go back to my Sonny. He's just got a smile on his face, and he's happy, he's healthy, he's loved. And little boy's been licking him and giving him a bath, which is wow. But anyway, hey young man, hey. I say, yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah, look at him. He's so precious. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to end it here. David's doing okay with COVID-19. He just has some congestion really bad. And he's still doing it's a low-grade fever now. And he's had some aches and stuffy nose, but he's doing really well now. So thank you for all that prayed for my husband and everything. And he has no taste or smell either. So, but anyway, y'all have a blessed evening.